Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. Man, I am back investing it and I'm interested. I have been interested for quite a while. I did a lot of my day traders and for a long time too with this company. And I've been in play for about 2 weeks now and have not getting the opportunity to do the video ad because I want to make sure when the time is right, I want to do it not just when I'm going to invest it, then I'm going to make my videos. But I'm already invested in for past 2 weeks now, so I'm excited about this company and I want to share with you guys what my thought process that I've been watching and following this company for over 4 years now, and why I'm so excited now, so much of doing the video. So stay tuned, folks. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys' support and watching it. I do a lot of technical analysis on the stock that I personally I invest on, or very rare that you're going to see that I will put a video that I'm not invested on, but I want to talk about it maybe for future. But it's about majority of my time is doing videos that I am investment because my money is in also on view, and I'll talk to you guys about what are the good thing is happening, where we trending, or where's the downtrend coming, and also share with all the fundamentals and the technical side with you. So stay tuned for the entire video because I'm going to share with you some key things that you're gonna blow your mind about our favorite stock, Plug Power. Well, as you know, the news came out today. The Andrew Marsh, who is the CEO of the Plug Power, talked about the stock short shells. Right, Mr. Harsh believes the plug is in the position for the end of the year success, which an article was done 5 hours ago hints that it won't issue new shares. What does issue shares means? So this is very important because it is a short sales stock shorts for short sellers, right? And Plug Power in today is announcing to fill its first liquid hydrogen tank uh, from newly opened Georgia plant. Hydrogen is to be believed the likes of Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot. All three big dogs, but the bigger dog is Amazon, without doubt. Um, and Plug's new facility has resulted in increase of search of Plug stock over 20% on Wednesday. We knew when this were happening, when the delivery happens, we're gonna see some movement. A little bit more on the articles that I want to talk about is Plug Power is enjoying the strong stock market today, right? And it's filled with liquid tanks and hydrogen newly opened in Georgia plant. Indeed, liquid hydrogen will be used in Walmart's and Amazon and Home Depot. So it is pretty much it's how like what's kind of a breakdown, which companies and everything, and also it's more than 2,300 forklifts per day according to the company. That's a massive work. So a little bit about the stock, how it went about 20% up to date. Sorry for the day movement on that. And I'm excited, folks. I am so much excited because this stock right now is trading at $4.70, right? The low is 250, average is 781, and high is $82. Look at the rating, right? Granted, there's a hold, right, for most analysis because they're trading 80s buy and 3 sell. Why I am seeing it? It is a buy. Couple things. You have earnings coming up. Mark your calendar, folks. Earnings is coming up. Earnings. I even know how to draw. So earnings is coming on March 7th, and it's roughly about a month from now. So you're gonna see a lot of movement on this stock. I like I said, I traded as a day trader. I traded as a long term. I took some losses down to the road and get some profits. But overall, Plug was a great for me, and always looking for an entry point. And why did I decided to jump in late, right? And one of my reason was when this stock was sitting right over here, looking for those momentums about $2.80. I was looking for some great breakout points. So this is a 5-day chart, and you can see it on the 5-day on the 29th. That's not even far away from that's 3 days from here. It was sitting at 330, and it's sitting went high of $5.60, and it's trading right. So it's trading uptrend, and the key levels it broke was these moving averages, key moving averages. My purple line is my 60-day, and the pink line is the 200-day, where it broke the 397 and 379 both in, and they're trading above it. So what was the next resistance level we're gonna see, right? Which I'm gonna share with you guys on my 6-month chart. What are the next resistance that I'm looking at? Well, it's the gap, right? Remember the beach sell-off that happened over here back in November, um, and you can clearly see that time and time how my pink line was my movie 200-day got rejected, one rejected two, and we break out now. So the next resistance level that is going to be impact and is going to come in play is $5.60, right? And I usually put it as red because we're going to break through on that. And the next one we're looking at right up here, because your points are right 1, 2, 3, 4, and it acted as a support and acted as resistance right here at $6.30 is going to be the two resistance to break, because it's not just I like drawing, folks. I don't even know how you can clearly see it acted as a time and time as a support um, throughout the year, throughout from last year. And you can see this stock was high, folks. It was over $7. So you can clearly see that it was going to be the breakout on that. And then on the year to date, you can clearly see that how, oh my god, it is dead on right here, act as a support and act as a resistance right here. So major gap down when it happened all the way from $6, came right up here $2, and now we're filling that gap up. So once you fill that gap up, you may see trading sideways, right? Is it not a confirmation that it is going, it broke the year to date, right, and is holding as a support level? RSI is pointing up, little room left, not a whole lot. MACD is pointing up, so means 560 will come in play, right? And then 630. The major one on the year to date to break is $7.16. It's a far from now what we can see from here. But on the 6 months, we broke out and acted as a now they're acting as a support, because time and time when we went to our pink line, it got rejected, it got rejected, it got rejected. Came even here, close it right here, folks. 200, we got rejected. But once the one you have get fundamental great news like this, it will destroy it, right? And that's why I'm seeing there's nothing over here in between from current right now at $4.07 to $5.65. There's nothing in between that can gives me, it tells me it's like, oh no, it's not going to do anything, because if we go all the way back when we had $12, like I said, it's nothing here that can tell me that okay, it is that is going to be rejected until unless granted, people started selling their shares. Our MACDs looks up. RSI got cooled off, right? When we went high today, a little bit at $5.70 and got cooled off. It has a lot of room to even go all the way to $5.60 to $6.30 and so forth. But the two resistance is going to keep an eye, as we mentioned, to see how we're going to do on Friday, and then definitely how we're going to do on Monday and next week too. But I'm going to have my new video come up on Sunday about plug power and how did we finish on Friday. Gives me a little bit understanding. Is I'm going to see a bull flag right here in order to go up, or is going to go right? It's already kind of started a bull flag, but it's not a confirmation. It can go straight up to, and looking at the 5-day, right, it kind of was consolidating between and trading and covering that gap. So like I said, I like what I see. I'm excited about this company. I'm back in play, and like I said, I haven't done the video. I was waiting for 2 weeks to see where we add so I can share with my thoughts. So Sunday, stay tuned for more videos. Please, please, please put your comment down below and tell me what price do you think you will be selling it, and that's your own money. That's your money. That's your money you invested on it. You should, you know, um, be ready to know when you're gonna sell it. I know when I am gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it on my comment. Then what are you? When I'm gonna sell it to? I just recently invested in 2 weeks ago, but I have been doing it for a long time. And for a shorter period of time, and just waiting for a reversal. Yes, sir. Yes, I was just waiting for a reversal to come, some sort where I can have it. Um, get a confirmation. The high of this stock is definitely about $13, and $14 is really high on that. $13, $14, it's a great target area for this stock. And you can see all these great news that came in right now about those getting orders. Man, I can't wait for the earnings to come out and say more updated news how they're going to be doing those delivery to Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot. Hey, folks, thank you much for watching the video. I hope you get a great week, and see you guys on the weekend and check out the next video coming up. Take care.